Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Unity. Today for Color Combos with Crystal, we are doing a gorgeous robin egg faux texture on this card using some gorgeous Unity stamps. Let's get started. You will need the Everything Easter stamp, so we're going to be using the shape and we're going to be using one of the stamps that's going to fit in there. You're going to need 2 pieces of cardstock. I'm using the Pool Party. And then for the flickers, we are using chocolate chip. Again, you can use any colors you like as long as you find something matching. We're going to be using Nuvo Drops clear for adhesive and some wow glitter sparkles. Any glitter will do. And of course, a water brush. Let's get started. We're going to begin by stamping the shape onto a piece of blue cardstock. Again, this is Pool Party with that brown ink. Come in and then stamp our sentiment right on the center of our shape. We're going to go ahead and get our scissors and start cutting around the shape. You can pick up a cut file, but I hand cut this. This is going to be placed over our other Pool Party. We're going to grab more of that chocolate chip on an acrylic block. We're going to go and add some of that color, add water to make some pigment, and then sprinkle the whole cardstock base with this brown. When it dries, it's going to be a really pretty brown, and this is going to look like a robin egg, don't you think? Once that's dried up, it's absolutely gorgeous. I put foam adhesive on the back of my shape. And then we're going to go ahead and add some clear glue. I'm using Nuvo Drops clear because that's what I had, but you can use just clear glue or anything that dries clear to the edges, and then add some little drops to the actual card base. Grab your glitter and sprinkle on the edges that is wet. I'm doing this in 2 parts. I'm doing 1/2 first, and then coming in and doing the second half. Okay, we're going to put foam adhesive on the back of that shape, and then remove the backing and place it on the center of our robin egg cardstock. And that does it. What do you think? What do you feel about this happy Easter card? Very Eastery, don't you think? Thank you so much for joining me today. Come back for another Color Combos with Crystal. See the full Unity blog post. Give this a thumbs up, subscribe, and see what other Unity videos you can check out. Have a good day.